Am I in my sneakerhead era? Because your girl's obsessed. So today I have something a little different. I'm doing a Nike haul for you guys. Had a little shopping spree on Nike.com. Wanted to up my sneaker game a little bit and get some fun stuff to wear to the gym, to run errands, all the things from Nike, which has always been my go-to brand for shoes for the gym, but lately I've been noticing that I have been gravitating towards sneakers a lot, and I've wanted to get some new sneakers. Fun stuff to share with you. I'm so excited. If you're interested in anything I'm going to share with you guys, go ahead and head down to the description box. I'll have everything linked down there for you. Well, let's get right into it. Let's start with my favorite thing in this entire haul, and that is these. These are the Jordan 1 Retro High OGs. I have been wanting a pair of Jordans for some time now, and so I saw these on Nike and I thought they were so fun because, first of all, I love the neutral colors in them. They call this tan color praline, and I just thought, like, wow, this will go with so much of my stuff, first of all. But what really caught my eye was these beautiful, like, ribbon laces that it comes with. The laces actually match the inner lining of the shoe. It's like, if you can see, that's like beautiful sort of blush toned satin liner in there. Now they do also come with regular shoelaces, so you get the choice. Like, I could put these white ones on there and that would be a different vibe. But for me, I think it's all about these ribbons. They're so gorgeous, and you can see they have like a little gold metal tip at the end of them. I have gotten so many compliments on these since I got them, and since I got them like maybe like 3 days ago, I've been wearing them constantly. The other thing that I will say about these is they are so comfortable. I just wasn't prepared for how comfortable they are. Not that they're super cushy on the sole necessarily, even though like they are, but I think what's really comfortable about them is just where they hit me on my arch. Just feels so good. Like, my foot feels so supported in these, and then because they're high tops, my ankles just also feel nicely hugged as well, which I think is wonderful. And again, like, neutral, they'll go with freaking everything. Of course, they got the nice little Air Jordan embossed in the leather there. These just have sort of a feminine vibe for something that is typically like super sporty. I think that the ribbon and the colors kind of gives it like a ballet core sort of vibe, if you will. So I love these. I'm obsessed. If you're looking for a really fun pair of Jordans that kind of have a little bit more of a feminine edge to them, these are it. Now, to go with those shoes, I decided to grab some socks. 3-pack of these Jordan socks, and actually I wore these the other day because I felt like I wore them out. This was like the best color to sort of go with them. But I mean, honestly, like any of these colors, like the cream colored ones will look good with them. Even these dark ones, I think they'll look nice. So in a 3-pack, of course, you can see they've got the number 23 on them for Michael Jordan. That was his number when he was on the Chicago Bulls. And then on the toe, they say Air Jordan. No, I figured if I was going to get my first pair of Jordans, I might as well go all in. They're very, very comfortable. They have this sort of like cushioniness to the bottom of them, and then this part that kind of goes around your arch is a little bit ribbed and tighter, so it sort of gives that effect of like your foot being hugged right at your arch, which is really nice. They do go up pretty tall on me. These are unisex, so they can be for men or women. So when I pull them all the way up, they go like almost all the way up my calf, so I kind of usually scrunch them down a little, just because it's a little aggressive how tall they go, but very comfortable. They're gonna look so cute with those Air Jordans, and honestly with some of my other Nikes that I already own. All right, next up, on to some clothes. I'm always on the hunt for like a cute pair of sweatpants. I feel like so many of my sweatpants are just old and ratty and like bleh. So I definitely needed an upgrade, something that maybe if I wanted to run out to the store and lounge around the house and not have to change when I needed to run out to get something, then I'd have a good pair. So I grabbed this gorgeous pair of like seafoam blue or green or whatever you want to call them. They're like this really light turquoise. This is one of my favorite colors. My KitchenAid mixer is actually in this exact color. I just think it's so pretty. And I got these in a size small because according to Nike's website, they do run oversized. It's an oversized fit sweatpant, and they were correct. I just feel like they have the right amount of bagginess for me without being like overly baggy. If I would have gone with my normal size medium, they would have overwhelmed me for sure. So I would say probably size down from what you would normally do because they are made with a lot of room in them. The other thing I love about these is the waistband of them. It's such a thick waistband and they're high-waisted. So it just feels like everything is like cinched in my waist area, and it just feels really comfortable and secure. And I always prefer high-waisted things anyway. So the fact that these sweatpants are just made to be high-waisted is so perfect in my book. Of course, they've got pockets. They've got the nice, like, subtle little Nike symbol embroidered over the left upper thigh. And then the bottom is a jogger style pant, so it has that nice elastic right there. And they hit literally perfect for my height. Like, couldn't have asked for a more perfect length in these. And for reference, I'm 5'7". But yeah, super comfortable. Love the color. I think it's super, super cute. And I think definitely a great option for, you know, being around the house, but then also running out and getting some errands done. Next, the top that I'm wearing, I saw this beautiful vibrant pink color on my scroll through Nike's website and I was just like, add to cart immediately. I love a bright, vibrant pink. I just think for me personally with my coloring, it just makes me look alive and fresh and really good. So this does come in some other color options if you're not into the pink, but what a freaking cute top for working out. I wore this to the gym today and it just looks so good. It feels so good on. Got this in a small. It has a lot of stretch to it and it's in their dry fit material. So it's moisture wicking. So even in your toughest workouts, it's really going to help like keep you dry and wick off all that sweat. Definitely an upgrade from what I look like after I finish my workouts in like my cotton tank tops. They just look nasty. This will disguise it a little bit more. I also got this really fun crew neck sweatshirt. Was definitely drawn to it because it says Los Angeles on it. Nike Inc. LA, just do it LA. And I'm like, yeah, let's represent LA. They also have a version of this that is for New York City. So if you'd rather rep New York City, you can do that too. I will link both versions down in the description box. Both versions also come in multiple different colorways, but I was really loving like this color just because I love the light blue. I did honestly think though that it was going to be a little bit more like white based. When you get it in person, it definitely has more of like an oatmeal beigey kind of grayish tone to it, which I don't hate. I was also hoping that this light blue color was going to be a little bit more matching to the sweatpants. I kind of got them in the hopes that maybe I could wear them together, but as you can probably see on the video, they're not the exact color. So kind of defeated the purpose, but again, it doesn't really matter. They still look cute together and I can always wear them separately. Now, the thing to note about this sweatshirt is, first of all, I ordered it in a small, which again, normally with sweatshirts, I order them bigger because I want them to be like big and baggier. But this sweatshirt I ordered in my true size because first of all, the product page definitely stated that it runs oversized. And then I also noticed that the style of the sweatshirt is a little bit more cropped and it's got this kind of crazy like sleeve situation going on. Like the sleeve comes out really low in the sweatshirt, almost all the way down to where the waistband thing is. So you've got, it kind of like makes it have an even more oversized feeling effect to it. Usually I get those sweatshirts in bigger sizes when they're longer because I want to be able to wear them long over biker shorts and things like that. But with this style, it's already made short, so you can't really do that, if that makes sense. I think I may exchange this for an extra small, to be honest, because this is like really huge. I kind of feel like I'm being swallowed up. So with this sweatshirt, highly recommend sizing down at least 2 sizes because it's just huge. And with the style of it being like this, it's already going to look kind of big and baggy. So I'm going to try the extra small and hope that that looks a little bit more fitted while still being slightly oversized. Because for me, I'm always going for slightly oversized on my frame because I think that's the most flattering for my body type. Wearing super crazy oversized stuff, I just don't think really works for me personally. But anyway, we're going to try the extra small, but very comfortable. The fleece in the inside of this is so soft, and I just think the graphic on it is really fun. And and I could wear it with so many different things. Got another fun pair of sneakers. These are the Nike Air Max 90s. And when I tell you, these are so comfortable. The air in them just makes them feel so cushy when you're walking. Like, you literally feel like you're walking on air. No joke. I haven't had a pair of like Air Nikes since probably middle school, so it's kind of taken me back, but I love the look of them. They're very sporty, but the color combo is gorgeous. It's just got this really pretty light lavender with the really vibrant pop of that just gorgeous like royal blue or cobalt blue, I would call that, in the swoosh and the little Air Max right there. There is the back of them. You can see they say Nike Air in kind of a light gray to sort of contrast the white, and it's just got this like leather on the trim and then the waffle knit on the toe, and a little bit of like, you know, rubber plastic here and there. It's Nike Air. But these are beautiful. I'm probably not going to wear these as workout shoes. I think the Air Maxes were meant to be running shoes, and I definitely could see them being fantastic running shoes if you want to use them for that, but I just love the look of them so much. I'm probably just going to use these with like my streetwear, because the second that I start using shoes as workout shoes, they just get so dirty. They basically they get ruined. So I want to keep these as nice as I can. If you have any tips for keeping your sneakers clean, I know some of you guys have them, or products that you use, please drop them down in the description box, because I want to try to keep these and my Air Jordans looking crisp and beautiful. I love the way that these look with so many different outfits that I've worn them with, and the colors are just really fun. I feel like you can throw them into certain outfits and it just creates this fun like pop of color. Of course, they have so many different color ways of these shoes, so I'll link these, and then the Air Max 90 Futuras, I want to say they're called, was another really fun style that I was looking at that I was kind of torn between this and those. But these were the winners. Well, thank you so much for watching this haul. Again, you can find everything that I share with you today down in the description box. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you like videos about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. While you're here, you might want to check out my latest Halara haul. Halara is a great athletic wear brand, really affordable pieces. I'll put that right here so you can check that out next. See you over there, and if not, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!